Hello friends, I am Mukesh and today we are going to discuss the concept of if else and indentation in Python. For the today's session, we are going to discuss this much of topics in the if else condition. So let us start our concept with conditional operators available in Python language. As per other programming language, there are total 6 number of conditional operators available. Equals, not equal, less than or equal to, greater than, and greater than or equal to. You can note it down by pausing the video. I am going into the practical implementation of these conditional operators. Let us move to the PyCharm. Yes, I am declaring one variable. Say for example, A is equal to 33, B is equal to 500. If B is greater than A, colon, then print B is greater than A. So this particular statement, print B is greater than A, will be executed if and only if this condition gets true. In this scenario, the value of B is 500 and value of A is 33. So definitely this condition is true. So let us execute and observe the output. Yes, we got the output, B is greater than A. But what if the condition gets false? Now in this scenario, the value of A is greater than B. So this condition will get false. So if this condition is false, the following part, the block available with if condition will not get executed, and let us observe the output. Yes, we got nothing in the output. So this statement is not executed as the condition is false. So again, let me repeat the thing. If condition, the block given in the if condition will be executed if and only if the given condition is true. So this is a thing. Another thing, here there is a importance of indentation in Python. Python relies on indentation, that is the white spaces, as the beginning of the line to define the scope in the code. Let me clear one thing. Print, this is test line 1. Print, this is test line 2. So as these lines are indented, let me explain. These lines are indented. Observe. Hence, when condition gets true, that these 3 lines will be executed. Let us observe. Okay. For a better understanding, let me write one more line. Print end of program. So here, if condition gets true, then these 3 lines gets executed, and obviously as this is not a part of if condition block, so this line will definitely be executed. Let us execute. Yes, 4 lines is there. Now condition is false. Now in this situation, condition is false. Now these 3 lines are part of if condition block. So these 3 lines will be omitted and only the last line will be executed. Yes, I think you got the point of indentation, right? Now say for example, I am removing indentation of this line. This is test line 2, right? So now as I have removed indentation, so this line is also not a part of if condition. Let us observe. Yes, this is test line 2. That is also not a part of if condition. And if indentation is done, then this is a part of if condition block. So most of the languages, in most of the languages, the curly braces are used to define the block of if condition or looping structure or any other structure. But in Python there is nothing like that. There is nothing like that. And the indentation, using indentation, we can use we can define the block beneath the if condition or for or any other construct, right? Okay, so now let's move forward. The next topic, Elif. Okay, else if. Else if, here for example b is greater than Elif, if b is less than a, then print b is less than a. Now let us observe the output. In this case b is less than a, as the condition is false. Sorry. If this condition gets true, this part will be executed, and if this condition is true, then this particular part will be executed. So we can have any number of Elif if b equal to a, then print both are equal. Yes, let us observe the output. In this case the output will be b is less than a, but when the value will be equal, then the output will be both are equal, because this condition is false, this particular condition is also false, but this condition is true. So in this case the third block will be executed, that is the output will be both are equal. So this was the use of Elif. Now next, else part. Say for example else. Okay, sorry, I forgot to have a colon. Okay, if the value of b is greater than a, then code block particular will be executed. If b is less than a, then another code block will be executed. In all other situation, else part will be executed. So here the output will remain same, both are equal, but observe we have not placed any condition with else. That means when all the condition get false, the else part will be executed. So this is else. Now next, shorthand if. Shorthand if. Say for example if a greater than b colon print a is greater than b. So here we are not specifying the code block or anything else. Say for example the value of a is 5 and value of b is 4. So definitely this condition is true. So a is greater than b. So now observe the output. Yes, a is greater than b because the value of a is greater. But what if it is not true? Okay, so there is no issue. So in this way we can use the if condition, that is, it is called shorthand if. Now shorthand if else. Shorthand if else. Here we can use shorthand if else. Print A if A greater than B, else print B. So if this condition gets true, this part will be executed, else in all other cases this part will be executed. So yes, first of all let me make the condition true. So in this case the value of A is greater than B. Yes, so observe, let us observe the output. Yes, output is A. And now in this case the condition is false. So now once again observe the output. Yes, now the output is B. Let me tell you one thing. In many programming languages it is called ternary operators, right? It is called ternary operator, or you can say conditional expression. So when any situation arises, when you are having only a single statement to be executed in if else block, then instead of writing 3 or 4 lines, you can have a single line to perform particular task. Okay, so this was a shorthand if else. Now next is a logical operator, and or not. For example, okay, let me remove these code lines. Yes, if let me have a third variable name, C, with a value 7. If A is greater than B and A is greater than C. Dear friends, please observe, I have combined two conditions, that is A greater than B and A greater than C, using AND operator. AND operator, when we combine a condition using AND operator, it is necessary, compulsory that both the condition gets true. If both the conditions are true, then and then only entire condition will be evaluated to the true. Let us observe. Print A is greater than B and C. Okay. Now, yes, in this case the value of A is greater than B and value of A is also greater than C. So let us observe the output. Yes, A is greater than B. Now let me do a thing. Say for example 8, 5 and 10. So first condition is true, A greater than B. Yes, value of A is greater than B. But the second case, A greater than C, no, this condition is false because the value of A is 8 while the value of value of C is 10. So first condition gets true but the second condition is false. So entire expression will be evaluated to the false. So let us observe the output. Yes, nothing is there in the output. So AND operator, right? Next is a OR operator. OR. When we combine two conditions with the OR, in this case either of the condition is required to be evaluated to the true. That means this entire expression will be evaluated to true if first condition or second condition gets true. So in this case this condition, first condition is false while the first condition is true while the second condition is false. So as per logic either condition should be evaluated to true. So in this case A is greater than B or C. Yes, A is greater than B or A is greater than C. So this condition will be evaluated to false if and only if all the conditions are false. So let me do that. For example, value is 4. So first condition is also false, second condition is also false. So in this case there is no output, right? Okay, and the third operator is not operator. Not operator. When we use not operator as a prefix to the condition, if a condition is evaluated to true and it is prefixed with not, it will make it false. That means not true, that is false, and not false will become true. So let me write something. Not true equal to false, and not false will become true, right? I think you got the point, right? Okay, so in this case our condition is false. A is greater than B? No, A is not greater than B, so it is condition is false, but not false will become true. Okay, yes, in this case output is there, right? So these were some logical operators. Now next topic, nested if. We can have nested ifs, right? So let me have some example. Say for example, x is equal to 41 if x is greater than 10. Print above 10. Now if x is greater than 20, print and above 22. Else print but not above 20. Okay, so in this case the value of a is x is 41. So first condition is true, x is greater than 10. Yes, so first line will definitely be printed, the value of x is above 10, but once again it will check if whether the value of x is greater than 20, then this part, else this part. So let us observe the output, above 10 and above 22. But what if I will make it in some value in between 10 to 20. So in this case above 10 but not above 20, right? So this is the nested if construct. And the last topic of this session is pass statement. Say for example, I don't want to execute any statement when this condition is true, right? So let me execute the code. Yes, error is there. it assumes that last line we have missed the indentation in the last line, but no, it is not like that. I don't want to be executed any statement if this condition is true, but Python doesn't allow me to keep the block empty. So instead of keeping the block empty, I can use the statement pass. Now observe, the error is not there and our purpose is also solved. That is, we don't want to execute any statement. So this is the pass statement, right? Most of the topics of this session are covered. Hope friends the topics are clear to you. If you are having any doubt, then you can post your comment. One more thing, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe the video. Thank you.